So I'm making this video to get ahead of any possible feature releases, just in case this actually gets implemented. I made a misfire detection that works by having two exponential moving averages. This is the exponential moving average of the time it takes for your engine to go from the window start to the window end. You obviously have some time that it takes to get from 0 to 60 degrees. So we track this and we put it in an exponential moving average. This is a V8, so it's pretty stable. You're gonna see that it's basically a flat line. And then you have the misfire wobble. This engine, since it's a V8, it's not wobbling basically at all. It's a factory V8, it's very smooth. So if you have a cammed engine, this number is probably gonna end up being quite a bit bigger because it's wobbling. And this then gets multiplied by this K multiplier that takes the base moving average and multiplies it into a threshold. So you see the green one is the threshold that we need to go over in our last event. That's why it's last second, or last segment, sorry. When you have a misfire, it bumps over your threshold and it starts getting registered as a misfire. So let's go do that. I'm gonna set this to negative 25 degrees of timing and whoops, negative, oh, it says degrees. I'm kind of dumb sometimes, or most of the time. But we put it there and you see we have a misfire because specifically cylinder 1 is going over our last threshold, because cylinder 1 is going to take more time than the rest of the 7 cylinders to complete this travel. We set it to 0, our misfire is gone. And that's basically how we do misfire detection. There's a bunch of other settings, but they have good explainers here, so you can read that if it ever works. But yeah, misfire detection, RusEFI, so it's pretty good.